Guys, today we have a very important release. Union Dunks are going to be dropping. In theory, this should be an easy cop. Even if you don't have any bots, this should be an easy cop because Union, historically, their anti-bot is just fantastic. But today I will be doing a high risk, high reward strategy. I will be running only bots, no manual. So if it goes well, it's going to go very well. If it goes badly, I'm basically probably not even gonna get one. I'm gonna take the risk because Mech.io, they work on the previous domain change release, and I think it's gonna work again today. If it doesn't, then oh well. But anyways, the drop is in about 30 minutes. Let's see what ends up happening. I cop. I caught 6? Wait, no, that's processing on 6. I got another one. 3, 4. Oh my god. Mech. Bro, I'm shaking. Like, I am legit shaking right now. Holy I'm running it up, dude. Oh my god. This Yo. Holy this isn't real life. This isn't yo, I hit like a bajillion. And yo, Dude, this isn't real. Oh my god. Bro, is this... Dude, I hit 10 or something, bro. Mech. Guys, I knew it was way too good to be true. So 8 of my orders got canceled, and really I just gotta wait to see what comes in. I hope I get at least 2. If I don't get 2, if I get at least 1, I'll be super happy. Honestly, I am a little bit surprised that they did cancel because I did use unique addresses, and if you remember the last Union release, I believe it was the last one, well, the ones where they did raffles, there was so much BS happening. A lot of people were getting a lot of pairs shipped to a single address, and they kind of just let it slide. So I was hoping that they would do the same for this time, but I guess not. If I had to take a guess, they would re-release these at some point, or maybe just do a raffle. I hope they do first come first serve again, because that just like really worked out for me. But anyways, they're taking quite a long time to ship them out, but hopefully we get a couple of these in. Alright, the Union Dunks came in, and not 1, not 2, but a total of 3 Unions got shipped out. I am more than happy with the results, and especially because these shoes are gorgeous in person. In my opinion, this is the best colorway out of the 3 Union Dunks that recently released. So I am very happy to have gotten 3 in hand. Anyways, that is about it for this video. Sorry that this video was delayed for so long, but I had to do what I had to do. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. The next video is going to be super special. You don't want to miss it.